Hello guys, welcome to my channel and I'm Riley Fernandez. Today we are gonna play I don't know what game is this, what the name, but I know this game. I literally played it from yesterday or kaninang araw and I just cooked this. Just loading bro, it has 2 minutes left and 22 seconds. I'm gonna cook another one. Sugar. Oh, that's disgusting. Ooh, bacon. Is this bacon? Oh no, guys, that's not the bacon. What? IDK, what is that? Ooh, salad, steak, and ooh, hot dog yarn. Guys, have you ever played this before? Cause I already played from yesterday and yep, I still get this. And also, kunti lang yung ingredients ko para maka-craft. So yeah, I'm just gonna make soup. Tomato and ay wow, ito nga. I want this one cause this oh, sarap na nito ah. Whee. Bro, everything has minutes. I mean, not everything has minutes. It's literally doing it now. 15 seconds. Kaya mo magkuha lang ang pera dito. Okay. Now, we are gonna take some money, guys. Punta muna ako dun. Oh. Bili lang ako lahat dito. Ang daming ingredients. And we got everything. My ingredients is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry about that. Bro, my ingredients is only 7. Bruh. Oh, God. Tagal naman itong hotdog na to. Tagal nitong hotdog ah. Sobrang tagal nitong hotdog ko. Okay. And this hot dog is so longer than the others, bro. Let me just take the others. $15 seconds left para maluto na si hot dog. I'm just gonna spin here cause I'm oh, yan. Bago na. Guys, watch me place this. Set. Kailangan ko na set. And we need one more. So yep, we need one more. Para ma-full na to. Like we need to get the other ingredients here like this and just get the money in this field and buy the plots. Ooh. Yarn.
Kaya bigla ako na ano.
Bye guys! See you on the next video.